Morning. How are you today?
Morning.
Morning. How's it going?
How are you?
Not too bad. A little sleepy.
You're a little sleepy?
A little sleepy.
Well?
I slept pretty good.
Oh, good.
Did you sleep good?
No. Not since about 10 o'clock yesterday morning.
I feel ya.
They keep us busy.
Yeah.
So.
A little later than yesterday. Today.
Citizens kept us a little busy.
Oh, yeah, I could hear them.
Yeah, they're managing our time.
Being a little rowdy. They're having fun their last weekend.
Whatever.
Yeah. So what's the story?
Time for some is not just have to be awake. Should have been awake already, but
Could you explain more thoroughly?
that
I know we talked about it yesterday, but I'm
no problem with people being here, just not sleeping when they're ready. The mayor's determined 5 o'clock.
after 5.
5 o'clock.
But no one's being advised of trespass.
No, absolutely not. Like I said, we don't have the power to make you leave the property.
Mm-hmm.
I told you that yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
But sleeping's all right until 5, is what you're saying.
That's what I was told.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm getting it on video,
Okay.
respectfully. You know what I mean? So we've had a pretty good night, and we'll probably, Bobby Ray, I can drive you down to or wherever you need to go or whatever. If
I'm alright, they ain't messing with me.
all right, cool. I don't want to risk anybody messing with anybody. He's got a broken, like, couple broken bones. Not fun being out here with no place to go and broken bones for sure. So,
Yeah.
Started to sprinkle a little bit earlier.
did it? I didn't feel it at all. Tomorrow's going to be an interesting
It's gonna
night.
rain tonight.
Or yeah, my today and tomorrow are. Will you tell me your name? No, not
Absolutely, I'm Brad Seifers.
Brad Seifers. And okay, cool.
About the homeless thing. You know how they shut down all the summer shelters, the Genesis and everything. So we don't have no place else to go. And we don't want to be in the bushes or get in you guys' way or anything. And they were supposed to have a meeting over here. So that's what we were supposed to be here for.
You have a sleeping bag down the way there.
Yeah, I know. The lady who was using it left. I'll grab it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was just want to make sure there wasn't one missing.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Well, you'll have a good day.
You too. Thanks for stopping by.
Sure.
Still hurts.
How'd you do it?
I was being arrested for PI, and it was raining that night. I slipped in some mud and I fell down a 100-foot hill. And I guess I banged me into this rock, but I broke my tibia and my fibula. So I got the ankle broke and then the bone that holds all my weight on top of it. I just did it on March 18th. And they gave me a cast, but with all the rain and everything, you know, the plaster. And they took me back to the emergency room and they put a plaster fucking splint on it. The thing came all the way back up into here, and it had ace bandages all up, and it kept unraveling. They didn't give me no crutches or nothing. And I couldn't even reach it to try to fix it. So I kept it.
How is it trying to walk on that? Not too bad.
This is a lot better. I just got this yesterday.
She was able to get around pretty good because there was some force on the side based on the weight off of that. Just a few days she was able to get the weight on that.
Well, this is what they should have put on in the first place, especially when you're being out in the rain and everything. Yeah, they just gave me this yesterday down there at the Shalom Center. Yeah, I gave you the crutches back since this is a walkable.
Yeah.
thing.
You have to do it on crutches for a couple of days. Put weight on top of that.
Yeah, I I put weight on the bottom of it. It's just when I go downstairs,
Yeah.
that my Achilles,
She sat down.
they don't work.
She sat down and scooted down the stairs for several days.
I can walk up them.
Yeah.
I just can't go down.
That's right. She was afraid she was going to get all of her weight started. Of course, you can't bend your ankle to catch yourself. She was afraid she had that kind of
That's the thing I'm saying. When you go forward, it stretches that out, and it's not. I ain't worked it in a month.
Well, wish you speedy recovery.
Have a good night.
All right.
God be with y'all.